Hey everyone, Pine Acres RV here coming to you with a brand spanking new arrival. It is a 2024 Newmar Ventana. The model number is 3512. Check this out. We optioned it out with the Girard awnings, as well as the slide toppers, frameless windows, this outside TV with a sound bar. Look at this beautiful, beautiful body paint. Absolutely love it. Got a nice rear fiberglass cap. This coach is sitting on a Freightliner chassis with the 380 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel. We got the egress door right here, or the exit door, emergency hatch. It does have the 360 camera. Ah, absolutely beautiful. Comfort drive. Look at those awnings. Absolutely awesome. Love it. Let's go in. Okay, walking in the 24 Ventana, 3512. Gonna shut this door. Ah. Let's take it all in, folks. This coach is 36 feet long. Features 4 slide outs. Take a look at these extra wide theater seats. They are power operated. Features USB plugins. Great spot here for your remote controls. Actually, more than just your remote controls. Look at the beautiful, beautiful valances Newmar has come up with. Absolutely phenomenal. Across the ways, we got the dinette. Those slide out. Get storage. And take a look at here, folks. We got ourselves a televator. You know what that means? It's Star Trek time! There you go. Beam me up, Scotty. Love it. All right. There's a 360 camera, navigation, stereo, Freightliner with all the safety features, cruise control. Your automatic leveling system is there. I see a great spot here for wine glasses. Sound bar, LED lighting. We got ourselves a dishwasher. 50/50 stainless steel sinks. Over here, induction cooktop. This induction cooktop is removable. You can actually bring that outside, plug it in. We get a convection microwave. Your control center. It does your 2 ACs, heat pump, all your lights, everything. Ice maker. Oh, wow. Yep. Water dispensing. Oh, let's go there next. No, bathroom. All right. Awesome, awesome bathroom. We got his and her medicine cabinets. Look at that beautiful sink and faucet. Just a quick look at that egress door again. Here's a beautiful shower with a tiki seat. Love where they put that fan. What a nice store. All right. Oh, just before we go to the master bedroom, we do have a little bit of a pantry right here. Okay, master bedroom up next. Yes, absolutely, that is a king-size bed. So opposing slides here in the rear. Gives you lots and lots of room. Huge TV. Place to put your DVD player. If you're as old as I am, you're still watching DVDs. All right, out back. 2 awesome things back here. You know what that means, right, folks? You can live in this thing. Awesome. Even within the slide, you have opposing windows for great cross ventilation. All right, towards the rear of the coach, on top of the engine back here, you got an awesome closet. Electrical panels here. You got a safe. That's where all your gas money goes. Newmar, attention to detail, quality construction, woodwork like you wouldn't believe. Absolutely awesome. All right, 80 Commerce Street is where we are at. That's on the east coast of Canada. Folks, for those who are interested, keep watching. I'm going to do basement doors up next. Bye for now. Okay, as promised, basement doors. It's your first door. Second door, through and through. Central vacuum system. There's a pegboard for your tools. More storage. We got the chassis batteries, catalytic converter that you do not want to get stolen. More storage over here. Here's your 50 amp power connection on a power reel. DEF fluid right here. There's a beautifully organized wet bay. Your Oasis heating system. The other side of the through and through. Take a look. These are the house batteries, folks. Lots of them. Up front, we got ourselves the electrical. All right. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.